today's Blueye Team, Jacob
and Oda. Hi! What are you doing today?
Well, we'll be diving at Solsiden.
And we're checking out if we can find some litter outside here and under the boats you can see behind us.
Yep. Let's see what we can find.
Yeah, great! Something.
Nice. What did you find?
It's something with wheels.
Show me.
Look at that. Jesus. People.
What kind of bike is it?
Get it together.
Looks like a mountain bike. Switching from the tires. Oh shit, no, there's so many.
Really?
What the fuck? Look.
People.
This is a huge pile.
Can.
Yep. That is
And is that a straw?
like one of the fence that you
Ah.
can put up when you're doing construction work.
Okay, so that's there as well.
Yeah.
Aha. That doesn't make sense.
Alright, third bike.
Third bike. Okay.
There's a fourth bike. Fifth bike. There was a bike too. 6 bikes. Oh, here's another bike. They're so easy to spot. Oh, this is a sight. Come look. It's one of those foldable chairs. It's standing upright, like someone is planning on sitting on it.
Maybe we fall out with the tree.
So how much did we find?
I think we found 7 bikes.
Yes.
We found a cargo of some kind with wheels.
Yeah.
We found a plant.
A plant.
A plastic plant?
Plastic plant. Like a mobile gas tank. The ones
Yeah.
you can just carry on.
Yeah.
And like several piles of beer cans
Yes.
and
I think maybe some
other trash.
yogurt.
3 chairs. One standing up, kind of spooky.
Yeah, yeah, the chair.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, that pretty much sums up the.
And we checked like,
How many square feet? Not as many.
I don't know, but
Maybe like.
if we can just take a percentage of the harbor, it goes another 4 times as long that way.
Yeah.
From what we did, and we've just been following the line basically. So we haven't gone out on the other side, for example. We don't know what's up there. Yeah.
Pretty much more of the same, I guess.
Yep. All right, let's go for lunch.
Uh huh.